Hello everyone, and welcome back to the WhatsApp Automation series. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can connect WhatsApp to your business using the official WhatsApp API and automate customer support through Haleria AI. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for the Shopify App Store. Click on the official Shopify App Store link to open it. Once the App Store loads, go to the search bar and type Haleria AI Sales and Support. Click on the app from the search results. Now the app page will open. From here, click on the Install button to start the installation process. You will be asked again to confirm installation, so click Install once more to continue. Next, you'll see the Pricing Plans page. Here, you can choose the plan that best fits your business needs. In this example, I'm selecting the Pro plan. After selecting the plan, click Continue to subscribe, and then approve the subscription by clicking Approve. And that's it. The app is now successfully installed. You will now be redirected to the Haleria dashboard. Here you can see different menu sections including Plans, Conversations, WhatsApp Business Automation, and the Usage tab. From these options, click on WhatsApp Business Automation to start connecting your WhatsApp account. A new screen will appear for connecting WhatsApp. Here, accept the meta policies by checking the confirmation box, and then click on Connect WhatsApp Business Account. You will now see a screen that says you can seamlessly connect your account with the Haleria AI Assistant for your business. Click Continue to proceed. On the next page, your existing business portfolio will automatically appear in the first option. Below that, the option to create a WhatsApp business account will already be selected. Simply click Next. Now you need to enter your business information. Start by adding your business name, then select your business category, choose your country, and enter your website along with the correct time zone. After filling in all the details, click Next. You will now reach the Add Your Number screen. Here, you will see two options. Either use a display name only or add a new phone number. In this example, I will select Add a New Phone Number. Enter the phone number you want to connect with WhatsApp Business. Next, enter your WhatsApp Business display name, which is the name customers will see when they interact with your business. To verify your number, choose how you want to receive the verification code either through a text message or a phone call. I'm selecting the text message option. Click Next, then enter the verification code you received on your phone number and continue. Now you will see the review page. Carefully review your details and click Confirm. Your account will now start processing and connecting to Haleria. Within a few moments, the connection will be completed successfully. Once you see that the account is connected, click Finish. Here, click on Continue to Integration and then select Connect WhatsApp Business. Your account will now begin connecting automatically. This process may take a few moments, and once completed, your WhatsApp business account will be successfully connected. After connection, you will land on the dashboard where multiple tabs are available. In the Summary tab, you can see important details such as your connected phone number, verification status. Next, open the Profile section. Inside Edit Profile, you can customize your business information by adding a profile photo, business name, category, address, email, and website details. In the Live Chat section, a QR code is displayed which allows you to quickly access conversations. The Analytics tab shows message insights, including how many messages are read, unread, and overall conversation activity. Similarly, you will also find Billing, Templates, and Settings tabs where you can manage payments, message templates, and system configurations. Now you can start automating your WhatsApp customer support using Haleria. With Haleria AI Sales and Support, customer queries can be handled automatically. Customers can place orders directly through WhatsApp, and order confirmations can be managed without manual effort. Haleria helps your team save time while improving customer response speed and business efficiency. So, start automating your business today by installing Haleria AI Sales and Support on your Shopify store. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with anyone who wants to automate their business using WhatsApp. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.